right, good evening, everyone. This is Daniel from Tradecraft 360, and I thought I'd introduce a new trade. This is going to be one of the short-term trades, and this is fairly simple. It's a short strangle on Tesla that I initiated today, and that would be September 30th, 2024. And I sold the $300 call expiring this week, so October 4th. And that was paired with the 235 put, and I secured 0.305 cents for the call and 0.81 cents for the put, 10 contracts for both, and total net premium received or net credit as 1,150 USD. And the reason that I elected to put on this trade is to take advantage of the 2A action that was occurring today. There's multiple days of balance, and market is a little lackadaisical. Certainly, there's a number of catalysts on the economic calendar, but Tesla's major event is the week of the 11th. And I did find that the premiums were relatively elevated, as I do trade Tesla not infrequently, and just happened to notice that the premiums for the last several weeks have been a little bit higher on average, and its major catalyst is not this week but the following week. So so there's a few different reasons why this trade was placed, and not a long period of time, right? So just expiration Friday. The plan would be to obviously just watch the price action evolve, and should, let's say, Tesla break down to the 20-day moving average, that's roughly around 235. That's a simple moving average. Then obviously if it closed below the strike on the Friday, then I would take possession of Tesla, 1,000 shares, and I'm actually okay to do that. I am bullish on Tesla. I really have liked the price action over the last couple of months, and I wouldn't be too upset by taking possession of the underlying and then turning that into a positional trade. As far as the $300 call is concerned, there is a lot of overhead supply at the around 270, 280 area. So I do feel like there's an element of protection there. Now, should it get as high as 300, close above 300, that would just essentially mean I'd have to reassess at that point. If this is a position that I would close out, potentially for a loss, that's one such option. If there was a lot of momentum to the upside, I might just join the bulls and buy in. That's what I do, or have done in the past many times, is that if you have a call that's uncovered and you see it moving against you, you buy in, deliver the shares at the higher price. That really depends on you getting in early, number one, but you are subject to a potential reversal. So you always have to be mindful of that as well. And would this be a good short area for Tesla? Potentially. It would really have to be a buy the rumor, sell the news type of event. The Robotaxi event would have to seriously underwhelm. Would you want to take that risk? That's a little bit of a tricky one. So I'm satisfied with the strikes, satisfied with the premium. If nothing happens and we just sort of wander, through this range over the course of this week, then obviously this option will decay quickly just because of the time. Seriously, just the end of the week, that's it. So typically I won't wait till the end of expiration. I'll wait at roughly 50 to 60% maximum profit. Then I close out just for capital efficiency purposes, maximize the amount of profit that you can make with the amount of time, and then go from there. So there are a few, that seems to be the rough rule of thumb. I don't know if there's a particular study that justifies this. I'd be interested to know if anyone in the comment section from a finance perspective has statistical evidence to support a 50% close at max profit. I haven't done my due diligence on that, but that's usually roughly what I've read and usually how I follow things. I tend not to keep to the very end of expiration, unless it tags the strike, and then obviously I'm not going to close out. I'll just continue to watch how the price action evolves, and if it takes to the end of expiration, either to close in the money or out of the money, then that's just something you have to wait for. So this is just one trade that I put on, and I like the premium that I received. I like the time frame. I like the underlying. Let's see how it goes, and I will provide an update on this short-term trade towards the end of the week. All right, everyone. That's it for now. You have a great Monday. Take care. Bye-bye.